yesterday. Ooh, 'cause we're worlds apart, but just the same. Step up and watch it break down. You really want it? Wanna make a scene? Show me what you mean. Let's get it started. Let me see what you got. Can you pick it up a notch? Don't think you got it. Can't handle the pressure yet. Oh, stop talking about it. Gotta make this count. Let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready for me? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to say?
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Coca-Cola34. I'm here today to do a episode on a dinosaur, a new dinosaur we wanted to talk about for the last week. So the second video of today, and today we're going to look at a dinosaur called Timurlengia, or Timurlengia eotica, which is a tyrannosaur from the northern region of Uzbekistan. And it is said to be one of the oldest cousins of Tyrannosaurus rex, and it lived 90 million years ago. Now, this is a key discovery in Tyrannosaurs because, number one, it gives the support, obviously, that Tyrannosaurs originated from Asia. Number two, it also helps look into the evolution of the Tyrannosaur ear. Now, why do I say this? Well, paleontologists did put the skull of the holotype through a CT scan, and what they found is that in the brain case they found sinuses, nerves, and blood vessels and the inner ear, and it also displayed that this particular dinosaur, Timurlengia, had quite an acute hearing. It was able to hear excellent low frequency sounds, which is quite good, and it shows that for some reason Tyrannosaurs evolved quite a strange, brain, because I mean the brain in this guy is just so advanced, and it shows that Tyrannosaurs. This is probably why Tyrannosaurs became so advanced and so popular. I mean, not popular, became so diverse and so dominating in the areas that they lived in because of certain aspects, like in the brain, and we see this in Tyrannosaurus rex, obviously. And the advancedity of the brain is quite surprising in an animal that's been estimated to be 3 to 4 meters in length and weigh around 270 kilograms. So it's quite odd to see this. Was it the top predator at its time? It's possible. It is possible. I mean, you do come into some areas where Tyrannosaurs around that size are the top predator at the time, but it's sort of doubtful in my opinion, because I've got a feeling that there might have been larger Tyrannosaurs at the time in that area. I do believe there was some. There are some I think it's called. I heard of I definitely heard of another Tyrannosaur that lives in the area. I can't remember the exact name, but I know they found a right maxilla of it years ago, and they estimated to be around 11 meters long. But obviously, this is cool because it just shows that Tyrannosaurs early on were quite advanced in sound frequency and in the brain case and in the brain area, which is really cool, which definitely shows why they conquered their areas so much. So yeah, that's cool. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you later. Bye bye.